instead to wash my face and brush my teeth and my hair. Turn on her back and radio, start moving around. Damn, this beat is feeling good, got me feeling good now. All you got to do is take one step to the floor. It's your life, it's your life. All you gotta do is take one step to the floor. It's your life, it's your life.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy DVL Double N, the Musical Teddy Bear. Another episode for your earlobe. It's a No Talk Friday, and we want you to have an especially great weekend here on America's Urban Community Alternative Station.
Ain't no fall in love in the streets. Hide your heart, gotta keep it from me. Know you got some premonitions. Know you know I'm on a mission. Listen here, baby, listen. Let me transform you. 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 Know I love it when you mad. Yeah, you know it like I'm bad. Know I see you make a move. Know I like the way you do me. Feeling like you see right through me. Know I love the way we get along. Babe, you know you're my favorite song. Yeah, you know the way we get it on. Baby, you know we're down. Just let me know where you at. Yeah, just let me transform you. 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 Sheesh. Ain't no fall in love in the streets. Hide your heart, gotta keep it from me. Know you got some premonitions. Know you know I'm on a mission. Listen here, baby, listen. Know I love it when you mad. Yeah, you know it like I'm bad. Know I see you make a move. Know I like the way you do me. Feeling like you see right through me. Know I love the way we get along. Yeah, you know you're my favorite song. Yeah, you know the way we get it on. Baby, you know we're down. Just let me know where you at. Yeah, just let me transform you. 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 Let me transform you.
I'm Fletcher Word, publisher of the Sojourner's Truth, Toledo's African-American weekly newspaper. The Truth covers issues important to all Toledoans, education, business, and politics. Special sections cover important health and education stories, and you can also read the outstanding commentary of D.L. Perryman and the musings of Michael Hayes, the Truth Minister of Culture. For fair and objective reporting, pick up the Sojourner's Truth. It's available at over 400 locations in the metro area.
A station that's playing the hottest new music.
I'm John D.
Hi, my name is Jonas Sebastian.
Jam-packed radio. Your urban community alternative station.
www.blackmusicgroup.com. Grind Time Official. Y'all already know what it is, man. Shout out to all my niggas out here grinding, man. You ain't on that broke ish, man. Right now, we in the A, cause we rollin'.
Little kid, homie, don't be mad at me. Is it my fault that your pocket's on E? Now you need to get a grind, maybe you can eat. Tell me who done lied to you, ain't nothing free.
I tell a nigga quick if he broke. What the fuck that got to do with me? I've been on my like a fly, now I move the streets. What you need to do is stop chasing all these little freaks. Tricking is a broke action, cause it's always cheap. Get a hustle, put a mean joint up on your payroll. Rain, sleet, or fall, shorty, bring it when you say so. Never say too much up in the street, homie, lay low. Never spurge on anything unless you got some Play-Doh. Man, I play broke just to keep the heat up off of me. Name never rung a bell, street code never breached. My whip is looking like I never loved it. She don't wanna ride without some rims, that's some cluckers. Catch a nigga with 200, rob him, that's some suckers. Buy some shoes, broke again, right back on some other. Some of y'all can't change up, and I blame the way that we came up. That grind, leave it plain stuck, and result to picking that thing up.
Kid, homie, don't be mad at me. Is it my fault that your pocket's on E? Now you need to get a grind, maybe you can eat. Tell me who done lied to you, ain't nothing free.
19, I had 4 whips. 25, I had 4 chicks. Grind had no constipation. Do the math, no broke-ish. Y'all niggas want handouts. Slow money with your hand out. Young nigga, head bumming change. That's the only way that you stand out. Money call, I answer that. I start the whip and I go. Staying broke is a state of mind, and y'all should be letting that go. I know money chasers, money racers, but I don't know no money haters. Put y'all in that category if y'all ain't out here getting paper. My grind on Superman, tell that chick I can't save her. Get all in it like a messed up tenant cause I can't pay her. Y'all know my grind, I don't have no time, my stacks major. Gotta give thanks for those banks, all my pack chasers. Y'all know that money equals time, trying to get it in my prime. Y'all ain't out here on your grind, need to quit with all that crime. You ain't out here trying to shine, bro, you need to get in line. I can't sit up in the bind, that's just me, that's just me.
Homie, don't be mad at me. Is it my fault that your pocket's on E? Now you need to get a grind, maybe you can eat. Tell me who done lied to you, ain't nothing free.
More.
Talk to you, baby. Ooh, you look real sexy. Yeah. So sensual.
In the middle of the night, your body's calling me, baby, to come fulfill your every fantasy. Yeah, girl, you're looking real good, real smooth and tight. I wanna make love to you all night. Yeah, tell me how you want it, cause it ain't no thing. Tell me how you need it, cause it ain't no thing, no thing, no thing. So sensual, so sensual.
In the middle of the day, you're all I'm thinking of. I can't get you off of my mind. Can't get you off my mind, baby. Make no mistake, you're all I really want and gotta have. I can't let you go, I won't let you go. Tell me how you want it, cause it ain't no thing. Tell me how you need it, cause it ain't no thing, no thing, no thing. So sensual, so sensual, so sensual between you and me, babe. Let me take you on a ride. Ride with me, baby, ride with me, baby. Wanna take you on a higher. Oh, yeah, yeah. Don't you rush, let's take our time. Let's take our time. Let's take our time. Take my time, baby. Never gonna stop. So sensual. You're on fire. Fire. Tell me how you want it, cause it ain't no thing. Tell me how you need it, cause it ain't no thing, no thing, no thing. So sensual, so sensual. That's between you and me, yeah. Want it, want it. Oh, yeah. Need it, need it, need it, need it. Need it. So sensual, babe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We're talking huge, really huge. I think I'm in love with you.
Beauty like the sunset light.
Is that right?
Make a pimp wanna wife.
I think so.
Can you be my boo for life?
I want you to be my boo for
She
life.
a bad one, Rihanna type.
So bad.
Look at her booty, thick thighs and them hips too. Shorty is a cutie, eye candy, crush on you. Aphrodite beauty, Amber Rose, top and bottom do. Option is optional, picking it as you wanna choose. Nope, homie, that doesn't exclude the hue halves of the world. Not as compared to other girls, Jessica Rabbit fused with a Betty Boop. Illustrates the sexiness God gave to you. One glance at her can make a miss with you. I constantly pray to the heavens that I can get with you. Shorty is dope up, the dope up, the nose up. Kate Moss, every role model for Coca. It's crazy because I really don't know how to approach her. Never had this problem before, but now I choke up. Bobsleigh surface, I froze up. Parkinson's whenever I'm close up. Usually got these horses neck like a choker. Tryna provoke the lotion gamble on my chest. She make her player scream, got a crush on you, crush on you. I would a be, make him crush on you, crush on you. She make a player scream, got a crush on you, crush on you. Yeah,
Nah, I'm joking.
crush on you. Yeah, beauty like the sunset light.
Yeah,
Make a pimp wanna wife.
I think so.
Can you be my boo for life?
Can you be my boo for life?
She a bad one, Rihanna type.
You so bad.
Infatuated with the fashion stylist and pretty. Baby girl is smoking top of a chimney. Can't you see I'm hypnotized? Lyrics a biggie. Steadily wishing I'll be the one she picks. You Aladdin, she's Jasmine, then this longevity. 40 years past the age of 60. Personalities blended with the perfect mix. See results is kids me, kiss me, kiss me. She's mine strictly, no adultery. Pricks will feel all smash crispy. Daily mission after work, things get real frisky. Bareback every time, call me D. Grizzly. Door shit and big, man, girl, you so witty. Below the navel is where I love to leave her hippies. Can I
Be the baller on it, play with your kitty. Text through the day, proclaiming she make a player scream. Got a crush on you, crush on you. Power of the P, make them crush on you, crush on you. She make a player scream. Got a crush on you, crush on you. Power of the P, make them crush on you, crush on you. Yeah, beauty like the sunset light. Like I love you. Make a pimp want a wife. Can you be my boo for life? Can you be my boo for life? She a bad one, Rihanna type. Yeah. Beauty like the sunset light. Make a pimp want a wife. Can you be my boo for life? She a bad one, Rihanna type. She make a player scream. Got a crush on you, crush on you. Power of the P, make them crush on you, crush on you. She make a player scream. Got a crush on you, crush on you. Power of the P, make them crush on you, crush on you. Yeah, crush on you, crush on you. Yeah, I got a crush on you, girl. Crush on you, yeah.
I am a mother.
I am an entrepreneur.
I'm a journalist.
I am a singer.
A businesswoman.
I'm an artist.
An educator.
A sister.
An advocate.
A leader.
A queen.
I am a friend.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am one of more than 1 million people living with HIV in the U.S.
We are not alone. Let's stop HIV together.
Get the facts. Get tested. Get involved.
I'm Fletcher Word, publisher of the Sojourner's Truth, Toledo's African-American weekly newspaper. The Truth covers issues important to all Toledoans, education, business, and politics. Special sections cover important health and education stories, and you can also read the outstanding commentary of D.L. Perryman and the musings of Michael Hayes, the Truth Minister of Culture. For fair and objective reporting, pick up the Sojourner's Truth. It's available at over 400 locations in the metro area.
The station that's playing the hottest new music.
I'm John D.
Hi, my name is Jonas Sebastian.
Jam-packed radio. Your urban community alternative station.
www.blackbeatmusicgroup.com.
You know what I mean, girl. You know what I like, girl. Like this, baby. I wanna do it like that, sugar.
Nobody does it better.
The station that's playing the hottest new music. Jam Pack Radio. Your urban community alternative station.